Eating red. Although red-footed tortoises are omnivores, which means their diet consists of a variety of plant and animal matter, their favorite thing to eat seems to be the color red. Yes, they go extra crazy for anything the color red, and the brighter the red, the happier they seem to be to eat it. Just look at this red-footed tortoise enjoying the skin of a dragon fruit, and before you know it, he'd have a friend come over to enjoy it with it. They just can't get enough of it. Look at them. Clearly they love.